Hi and welcome to Baking Butterly Love. My name's Katie and in this video I'm going to show you how to pipe these easy buttercream snowflakes. Okay, so I have a cake and I've already frosted it with this really fun, colorful background, but you could use any color that you like for the background. And then I have a piping bag filled with plain white buttercream and I fit this with a coupler. The coupler is going to allow me to switch out the piping tips as I do my different snowflakes. If you don't have a coupler, you could use just one piping tip or you could make a few different bags. And for this cake, I'm going to be using a small star tip. This is a number 16, as well as two different small round tips. These are numbers 4 and 6. All right, so I'm going to start off with my star tip and I'll show you the basic structure for the snowflakes. The basic structure is going to be 6 lines or 6 different points, but they're going to be made up of lots of small dots. So to keep all the lines even, I'm going to count so that each line is the same number of dots. The first one here, I'm making 9 dots long because that middle one is going to be the center of the whole snowflake. Then as I move along, each of the remaining lines will be just 4 dots long. All of them are branching out from that center dot. So that's the basic structure. Then there are probably a million different ways that you can vary things and make your own unique snowflakes. On this first one, I'm just going to add some extra dots to the end. Now I'll show you what they look like with the round tip. So I'm following the same basic idea here, but this time I'm going to make the dots go gradually smaller as I get out to the ends of the snowflake. So I'm starting off with a larger dot as my center and then just gradually getting smaller as I get out to each point. And for this one, I decided to make each of the lines only 3 dots long. And then to show you the smaller round tip, I'm going to make another snowflake with a round tip, but do all the dots the same size. And then just a little dot in between each line for my something extra. And it's really that easy. There's not much more to it. You can play around and make every snowflake different, or you can try and keep them all the same and all even, and that'll give you a really neat and tidy look. I was playing around a lot with these snowflakes and I had a few that ended up looking a little wonky because I tried to do too many details, so I would suggest that simpler is definitely better with these. And in the end, my favorite ones ended up being the ones that I piped with the round tips and kept them fairly even. So there you have it, an easy buttercream snowflake cake, the perfect design to cheer you up on cold, dreary winter days. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more cake decorating tips and tutorials.